Now we're on to types of data. So in here we've technically got 5 types of data: nominal, ordinal, discrete, continuous, and continuous consists of both interval and ratio data. But first of all, nominal. So what is nominal? Nominal is categories. So these can be like named categories, and they can just be like a simple tally to give frequencies. So this could be in a questionnaire, how many, say you're questioning a bunch of young female gymnasts, it could be how many of you have smoked, how many of you are still smoking, stuff like that. That would be considered nominal data. Ordinal then is, like I've put here, rank ordered. So this could be in a vertical jump test, who got the highest, who got second, who got third, who got last. The only problem with this type of data is that it doesn't give like separate values. It's very limited. It just says who's first. It doesn't say what they scored in a test, in a vertical jump test. Next is discrete. So discrete data is usually just closed questions. So this could be, have you smoked? Yes or no. Are you part of a sports team? Yes or no. Stuff like that. Now on to continuous. So continuous could be interval or ratio data. They have a numerical value with any number of decimal places, e.g. an example could be temperature. This would be a interval example because it can have a minus, so it doesn't have an absolute zero, so it can go below zero. So you can get like -10, just anything in the minuses. Whereas ratio data has an absolute zero. So for an example of this would be heart rate, because the lowest a heart rate can be is 0. It can't have a minus value. It just stops at 0. So that's the difference between interval and ratio. Interval interval has minus data, or can have minus data, and doesn't have an absolute 0. But ratio data does have an absolute 0. So nothing can go past 0. It's only 0 or above.